RLE stands for Refractive Lens Exchange. It's a surgery for people over 50 years old, during which we remove the natural lens of the eye and we implant an intraocular lens to correct vision at all distances. After 50 years old, the natural lens of the eye becomes a little stiff and therefore cannot move in order to do the up-close focus when we read. Presbyopia is a decrease of focus up close. It happens to everyone, even if you never needed glasses before. RLE is done much earlier in life, before cataract develops. Therefore, it eliminates the possibility of developing cataracts altogether. At LASIKMD, our surgeons have performed over 100,000 RLEs in the last few decades, using the most advanced technologies. RLE corrects hyperopia, myopia, astigmatism, and presbyopia, therefore preventing the need from glasses at all distances throughout the rest of your life.